Here's a little beach walk going down to the ocean. So as you leave your tents, this is what you are looking at. Heading down to what is basically a low tide now. It's actually almost exactly low tide. Low tide happens at 9:31 a.m. today, and it is 9:25 a.m. Give you a little perspective on what you can expect as you got a nice cup of coffee in your hand, or a cold beer, and you head down to the beach. There's the Rio La Peñita, heading out to the ocean. Tangle of driftwood. We burned off a good batch last night at Ecoburica, Costa Rica's nature paradise, where we will amaze you. www.ecoburica.com